Zahra Kids TV.
Hello dear friends, my name is Zainab Fatima.
And I'm Muhammad Hussain.
Welcome to a brand new channel called Zahra Kids TV.
I hope you all would have liked our first teaser.
From today we are starting our weekly news segment and we're going to start our cartoon series very soon.
Our upcoming cartoon series is full of fun and excitement.
We are going to include bedtime stories which will help our mama and baba.
Happy, how come?
Because we're going to share some real life stories with real events.
Trust me friends, you will definitely enjoy them.
Along with all the fun we're going to have, we will share many quotes from Masamin and Hadith as well.
We will have interesting competitions and for winners we have some exciting gifts.
As we all know, we are going through a pandemic, thus we are quarantined and our schools are closed.
Happy, what should we do then?
Firstly, we should listen to our mama and baba and we should complete our homework. And those who read Quran should read Quran and also should perform salat if possible.
Happy, you are absolutely right.
Friends, we are waiting for your feedback and suggestions.
Exactly friends, you and your parents can send us your feedback through email.
Please share and subscribe our YouTube and Facebook page, which will help you listen and learn from the stories of our 14 Masamin.
So friends, that's all we have for today's segment.
Take care. Khuda Hafiz.